Much like the coastal redwoods after which it is named, the all-new 2023 Sequoia makes an immediate, indelible impression. The 3-row SUV is all new from the ground up, and it aims to elevate the full-size segment with luxurious comfort, impressive technology, and breathtaking performance from an efficient new hybrid powertrain. All versions of the 2023 Sequoia come with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6 that Toyota brands as the iForce Max. The engine makes 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, like in the Tundra. The only gearbox choice is a 10-speed automatic. Limited builds upon the SR5 with a clear emphasis on added convenience. Not only does it gain a standard 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen, but it also adds standard heated/ventilated front seats with memory settings, standard heated steering wheel, power folding third row, and hands-free power liftgate. Limited also receives standard second and third row manual sunshades to keep the back half of the SUV sun-free when needed. The 2023 Sequoia rides on a version of the same modular body-on-frame platform from the latest Tundra, Land Cruiser, and Lexus LX 600. Buyers can select 2 or an optional part-time 4-wheel drive system for all trim levels. The TRD Pro package is only available with 4-wheel drive. The new Sequoia can tow up to 9,000 pounds, which is nearly 22% more than the previous generation. There are optional power folding, extending, and retracting towing mirrors for better visibility when pulling something. Plus, a panoramic view monitor offers a bird's-eye view of the vehicle and its surroundings when maneuvering. Inside, all Sequoias come with 3 rows of seats. Depending on the trim level, the second row has either a bench or captain's chairs. The third row can slide fore and aft up to 6.0 inches and has a shelf system on the back for stacking cargo more easily in the back. The Sequoia comes in 5 trim levels: SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, and Capstone. The 2023 Toyota Sequoia will go on sale this summer. Pricing will be available closer to launch.